Rose and Rocky Go Green. Author Annie Besant. Rose came home from school very excited. Hi Dad! Today I learned how to make compost. What is compost? Dad asked, scratching his head. Well, Dad, compost is what we create by reusing everyday kitchen waste. It helps keep the soil healthy. It's what plants eat, said Rose. It makes them grow tall and strong. Dad looked surprised.
Bah, even I knew that.
Bleated Rocky. All we need to make compost is our kitchen waste. We can also add leaves and grass. Let's not waste anything anymore. Can I make it in the backyard, Dad? Rose asked, tugging Rocky's ear. Off they ran to the backyard to dig a big hole. Do you know what we need for compost, Rocky? Well, first we need vegetable and fruit peels. We need dry leaves. And we need water. Where did everything go? Rocky bleeds.
Bah.
And wings. Rocky!
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.